Shopify SEO, the ultimate guide to boost your online store. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is on Shopify SEO for beginners. If you're new to Shopify or SEO, don't worry, we'll explain everything in simple terms so you can easily understand how to optimize your store for search engines. Why is Shopify SEO important? Well, simply put, it's the key to getting your store found by potential customers. By optimizing your store for search engines, you can increase your visibility in search results and drive more traffic to your site. And the best part? It's free. Unlike paid advertising, SEO doesn't cost anything to implement. So, if you want to get more organic traffic to your Shopify store, you need to invest time in optimizing it for search engines. Key features and functionalities of Shopify. Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of features and functionalities that are essential for effective SEO. One of the key advantages of Shopify is its user-friendly interface, which makes it easy for beginners to optimize their online stores for search engines. In addition to its user-friendly interface, Shopify offers a number of other features and functionalities that are important for SEO. For example, Shopify allows users to customize their URLs, meta tags, and page titles, which can help improve their search engine rankings. Shopify also provides built-in analytics tools that allow users to track their website traffic and monitor their SEO performance over time. Shopify SEO strategy. The Shopify SEO strategy involves several key steps that are essential for optimizing your store for search engines. The first step is to conduct thorough keyword research to identify the most relevant and high-traffic keywords for your business. This will help you to optimize your content and product descriptions with the right keywords and phrases. The next step is to focus on on-page optimization, which includes optimizing your page titles, meta descriptions, and content for your target keywords. You should also ensure that your site has a clear and logical structure, with easy-to-navigate menus and categories. Additionally, it's important to use schema markup to provide search engines with additional information about your products and services. Off-page optimization is also crucial for Shopify SEO. This involves building high-quality backlinks to your site from other reputable websites in your industry. You can do this by creating valuable content that other sites will want to link to, or by reaching out to influencers and bloggers in your niche to request links. Finally, technical SEO is an important aspect of optimizing your Shopify store for search engines. This includes optimizing your site's URL structure, ensuring that your site is mobile-friendly, and using structured data to help search engines understand your site's content and structure. Keyword research. Keyword research is a crucial part of any successful Shopify SEO strategy. By identifying the right keywords, you can optimize your store's content and improve its visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. To conduct effective keyword research, start by brainstorming relevant topics and phrases related to your products or services. Then, use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to identify high-volume, low-competition keywords that you can target. When conducting keyword research, it's important to consider both short-tail and long-tail keywords. Short-tail keywords are broad search terms that are typically 1 or 2 words long, while long-tail keywords are more specific and usually consist of 3 or more words. While short-tail keywords may have higher search volumes, they also tend to be more competitive and harder to rank for. Long-tail keywords, on the other hand, may have lower search volumes but are often easier to rank for and can drive more targeted traffic to your store. On-page optimization. On-page optimization is a critical component of any successful Shopify SEO strategy. It involves optimizing various elements on your website to make it more search engine friendly. One of the most important aspects of on-page optimization is optimizing your page titles. Your page title should accurately reflect what your page is about and include relevant keywords. This helps search engines understand what your page is about and can improve your rankings in search results. Another important aspect of on-page optimization is optimizing your meta descriptions. Your meta description is the short blurb that appears below the page title in search results. It should provide a brief summary of what your page is about and encourage users to click through to your site. Including relevant keywords in your meta description can also help improve your rankings in search results. Finally, optimizing your content is also crucial for on-page optimization. Your content should be high quality, informative, and engaging. It should also include relevant keywords and be structured in a way that makes it easy for search engines to understand. Off-page optimization. Off-page optimization is a critical component of Shopify SEO, as it involves building high-quality backlinks to your store. Backlinks are like votes of confidence from other websites, indicating that your store is authoritative and trustworthy. To build high-quality backlinks, you need to focus on creating valuable content that other websites will want to link to. This can include blog posts, infographics, and other types of content that provide value to your target audience. Additionally, you can reach out to other website owners and offer to guest post on their site, providing a link back to your store in return. Technical SEO. Technical SEO is an essential aspect of optimizing a Shopify store for search engines. It involves improving the site structure, URL structure, and schema markup to make it easier for search engines to crawl and index your site. Site structure refers to the way pages are organized on your site. A well-structured site makes it easy for both users and search engines to navigate. URL structure is also important for SEO, as it helps search engines understand what your page is about. Finally, schema markup is a type of code that you can add to your site to help search engines better understand the content on your pages. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned that Shopify SEO is a critical component of any successful online store. By optimizing your store's key features and functionalities, conducting effective keyword research, and implementing on-page and off-page optimization techniques, you can improve your store's search engine rankings and attract more traffic to your site. Remember, a well-executed Shopify SEO strategy takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. By following the steps outlined in this presentation, you can take your store to the next level and achieve long-term success. So, what are you waiting for?